girl Sandy, also known as skg.jpg, and we're here today to give you guys another review. As you guys know, Air Max month is well and truly over for 2022, but we managed to see the month out with a shock drop of the Concepts and Nike collaboration on the sneakers app in the UK and in Europe. So I'm here today to give you guys a look at the Mellows in hand. For those that don't know, we did have 3 collabs in total. We had the Heavy, the Far Outs and the Mellows. Personally, this is my favourite, so I am really happy to have it in hand to show you guys today, but do note that it's not actually my size. It is a 4.5, and as you know, I'm a 6.5, but I thought we'd get into it anyway. So without further ado, let's do that. So as you guys know, first things first, you have to take a look at the box. There's a lot of nice touches on this box, including the patterns and this little flower power swoosh that they have on the side. For those that don't know, this collab actually takes inspiration from 60s and early 70s youth culture, and that's actually why it's kind of paying homage to the flower power music era, the whole festival trend, and also kind of playful patterns, and as well as the guitar pick hang tag that we get on the pair. So my favourite part is actually the denim toe box, which kind of reminds you of the Air Max 1 Longevities that came out for Chinese New Year. We also have these kind of striped panels and the Concepts text here. That's kind of partnered with this paisley pattern. So we do have velvet laces and kind of a velvet adorned tongue. The sole's very plain, but we do have speckles on part of the midsole. But yeah, so that's this pair. So guys, there we have it. That was my review of the Concept Mellow Air Max 1. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you thought in the comments, and also let me know which one was your favourite of the Concept. Do you, like me, prefer the Mellows? Do you prefer the Heavies? Or do you prefer the Far Outs? Or maybe they just didn't live up to your expectation after release. So do let me know what you thought. Let me know if you liked this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more reviews, and I shall catch you in the next one. Bye guys.